soul. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today's video is sponsored by Hairvivi. They sent me a 20-inch wig. This is a glueless wig. It has invisible HD lace. It is a 13x6 frontal wig, you guys. The largest lace size available on the market right now, you guys. It has a fake scalp, so guess what? You don't need no wig cap, no ball cap method, nothing. Literally slap your hair in a ponytail, throw some braids on, and throw your wig on. Like, I've never seen a wig constructed like this, okay? This hair is 100% virgin human hair. You guys will see the quality as I fly iron it. It is so silky, like, it's so beautiful. The hairline came pre-plucked, and it came with clean bleached knots, you guys. It also has a band. It's an anti-slip piano key elastic band. So this is actually glueless, you guys. Y'all know a lot of companies say glueless, and then you end up still having to put some spray down. No, this is 100% glueless. I'm going to show you guys in today's video that I'm not going to use no spray, no gel, no glue. The only product that we need for today's install is maybe like a wax stick and a hot comb, but that's it. So let's get into it, y'all. This is my natural curly hair. I do have some product in it, but this is my curly hair, you guys. It is very short. Y'all know I don't know how to braid. So what we're going to do is we're going to slap this into a ponytail. Y'all, the wig smells so good. We're going to use some Eco Styler gel and slap my hair into a ponytail, because y'all know a girl can't braid, but that's not an excuse, you guys, okay? It's about to be 2024. We in a recession. We need to save our money. So getting wig installs, paying hundreds of dollars for it to last a couple days, not even a week, we're not doing that anymore, okay? I'm gonna leave this wig linked down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase right in time for Christmas, because all you need is a wig from Hairvivi. Put your hair in a ponytail and the wig will last you, and you'll save money by not getting it installed and doing it yourself. The amount of times that you guys have seen me do my hair since you guys have been subscribed, imagine me getting a wig install every time. $200 every time. Absolutely not. We're not doing that. We didn't do it this year. We're not doing it again. Okay? We're not doing it for the new year. So highly, highly, highly recommend. You guys are going to see how flawless this wig is, y'all. Like, this wig, literally, my mouth dropped when I put the wig on. So after I put the hair in a ponytail, I go in with some edge control. Because y'all know, I don't know, I be having little curly hair in the front and it don't be wanting to stay down. So I have to use edge control. But let's put this wig on, bitch. Y'all about to see. Y'all. You guys. Look at this wig. This is no makeup, nothing. Like, nothing. I didn't do anything to this wig. I kid you not. This is straight out of the packaging. Absolutely flawless. I will say, Hairvivi, y'all have the best lace on the market right now. Like, this is actual HD lace. This is not transparent ashy lace. This is HD lace, you guys. I was actually struggling to cut the lace because it's so HD that you can barely see it. And just in case y'all don't believe me, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in as close as I can so y'all can see where are the knots. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Like, come on, y'all. I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Hairvivi, wow, like, this is absolutely gorgeous. And look at all that parting space, you guys. Look at all that deep parting space. Oh my god, 10 out of 10 recommend. If y'all don't buy nothing this Christmas, go ahead and click the link down below and get you a wig from Hairvivi. Period.
Let it snow.